Welcome to 3D CAD Click. In this video, I am going to explain how to design bevel gear support using Creo Parametric part design interface. This is the isometric view of bevel gear support. Bevel gear support is one of a power transmission component. Let's get inside the interface of Creo Parametric. There we are going to design bevel gear support. This is the interface of Creo Parametric. Go to the option line. I'll start from here. First point and second point. I'm going to add the dimension. This dimension is 150 mm. Enter. This is 75 mm. Double click on this. 75. Enter for this. Click OK for this one. Now I have to add the thickness here. The thickness would be 10 mm. Enter for this. Click OK. Now we can see that here how we are going to get the output. Hold Ctrl to select the multiple features. Now go to the option here, mirror option. I want to do the mirror with the reference here. Click on this. Click OK for this one. Ctrl D. That's a standard orientation. Now we can see that here, this is our final component. This is how we are going to design bevel gear support using Creo Parametric part design interface. This is the example I wanted to explain in this video. In the next video, we are going to continue from next set of examples. Thank you.